Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Anno 117 Pax Romana game not launching, not loading, crashing, not working, flagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cached data. For that, open settings, then choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Now select persistent storage and select clear persistent storage. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, then select network settings, then test network connection, then wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Anno 117 Pax Romana update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating your game to the latest version, check if the game is launching or not. Next is to clear cache of Anno 117 Pax Romana. For that, press Xbox guide, then my games and apps, then tap on see all. Here search for Anno 117 Pax Romana game, then press menu. Now choose manage game and add-ons, then tap on save data and then click on reserved space. Finally tap on clear reserved space. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account and then click on remove account. Here choose the account to remove and then select remove option. After that, add the account again. Next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to the begin updating process. After updating, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space, and after that try to play the game. Next solution is to reinstall Anno 117 Pax Romana game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps, then select see all option. Here select Anno 117 Pax Romana, then press menu button and then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open Anno 117 Pax Romana official website and download the game and then check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's for now in this video. Thank you.